I would like to book my seat. Here are my passport and plane ticket. I would like to have an aisle seat. I have one piece of baggage to check in. I don't want a middle seat. I would like to have a window seat.
I would like to have a seat near an emergency exit. Please give me a seat near the front.
I need a vegetarian meal. May I have a seat in the first row? We would like to sit together. Does my luggage exceed the weight limit? This is my membership card. Please add my travel mileage to it. Can this bag be a carry-on? When is the boarding time? What's the number of the boarding gate? My father is disabled, so he needs extra help to get on and off the plane.
May I help you?
Please tell me the time of your flight. Would you like a window or an aisle seat? I need your passport and plane ticket. Do you have any special needs? I need your identification. I'm sorry, your baggage is overweight. Do we need to order vegetarian meals for you? Any baggage to check in? This flight is full. Please open your luggage for inspection. Boarding gate number 7, departing at 10 o'clock. Would you like to be put on standby? Have a nice flight.
The price of the ticket includes airport tax.
Will you transfer in Hong Kong or Macau?
Please remember to board half an hour before takeoff.
Please help me stow this suitcase. I need a blanket.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to use the headphones?
May I please have a bottle of mineral water?
May I have a hot coffee?
May I please have a cup of hot water? I'm not feeling well. May I please have a glass of white wine?
May I have an incoming passenger form?
Can you please show me how to fill out the incoming passenger form? What time does the plane land? May I please have a Chinese magazine? When will you start selling the duty-free goods? I ordered a children's meal. I would like to buy cosmetics.
I reserved a vegetarian meal.
Welcome aboard. Please walk straight ahead to find your seat. Do you need any help? Do you need a newspaper? Would you like some hot tea or coffee? What would you like to drink? Please turn off your cell phone. Would you like beef or pork? This is your vegetarian meal. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please put your cup on the tray. I will pour some tea for you.
Please put your used headphones into the plastic bag. We are currently experiencing some turbulence. Please return to your seat immediately.
Do you need a blanket? The plane is going to land. Please put your seat back in the upright position.
Thank you for traveling with us, and see you next time.
Excuse me, where is the line for foreigners? This is the line for citizens only. This is the express immigration clearance for diplomatic personnel. Excuse me, what papers need to be checked? Excuse me, I don't understand what you mean. Am I in the wrong line? I didn't know these things needed to be declared.
Excuse me, where should I go to make a customs declaration?
Do these things need to be declared? These are my personal belongings. Excuse me, where can I pick up my baggage? Is there a problem?
Is there anyone who speaks Chinese? Which luggage carousel is it at?
I'm going to buy cigarettes and cosmetics in the duty-free shops. Has the baggage come out yet? Please show your passport. Please show your mainland travel permit for Taiwan residents.
Please bring the items you would like to declare over here.
Have you filled out the entry form yet? You are not allowed to bring foreign fruit into the country. How long will you stay? Please walk through the quarantine area to have your body temperature measured. Did you bring these things with you? What's the purpose of your visit to our country? Cocaine is a prohibited item.
Please raise your head to let me compare you with your picture.
Please wait behind the yellow line. Please step to the side for inspection.
Is the picture in your passport of you?
Welcome to our country. Have a nice trip. It's been half an hour already. How come I haven't seen my baggage yet? I can't find my luggage.
I'm missing a piece of luggage.
All my personal belongings are in my suitcase.
Whom should I speak to about lost baggage? Well, have you found my luggage?
I haven't picked up my baggage yet. Please help me find my luggage as soon as possible. All my money is in the suitcase.
When you find my luggage, please deliver it to the hotel where I'm staying.
I will leave the hotel name and room number with you.
My bags are blue.
Is this your luggage? My name and phone number are on my luggage.
This suitcase looks the same, but it's not mine.
Please wait a moment. Not all the luggage has come out yet. Was your baggage marked?
If your baggage really is lost, we'll take responsibility for compensation.
Excuse me, what color is your baggage? How many pieces of baggage have you lost? May I see your baggage claim ticket?
It's possible that someone took your bags by mistake. Please leave your contact information. We will contact you as soon as we find your luggage. Were your name and phone number written on the luggage?
Let me check the computer records for you.
I'm terribly sorry. We may have lost your luggage. I'm sorry. We delivered your baggage to the wrong place.
We found your luggage. I would like to make a reservation for a single room.
Is the price per person or per room?
Is there any discount?
Excuse me, how much is it for a room?
Excuse me, how should I pay the deposit? Will you pick us up from the airport?
Does your room have a bathroom?
Do I need to pay a deposit first?
Is it a commercial hotel or a bed and breakfast? Do your rooms have air conditioning? Are your rooms provided with toiletries?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you accept American currency? Do we need to reconfirm before departing?
Do you offer breakfast? Is your hotel near the train station? How do we get to your hotel from the airport? Welcome. Do you have a reservation? Only the suites have bathroom facilities.
Hot water is available from 7 p.m. to 12 noon.
We have no vacancy right now. We only have 4-person rooms available. Some guests might check out this afternoon. Would you like to wait?
We only accept payment in cash.
We offer breakfast. The gym downstairs is available for free.
Are you the Miss Wong who made a reservation? Please pay your bill for today first.
We have a bicycle rental service. Hope you'll come again. Please check out before 12 noon.
Our hotel is near the MRT station.
Our hotel is centrally located with convenient transportation. I want a room with a nice view. I want to check in.
This is my ID. Please give me a room with 2 single beds.
Please give me a room with a king-sized bed. Please give a room on the upper floors.
How long do I need to stay to get a discount?
Is this room the only one left?
How much per night?
When is breakfast available?
Can I change rooms if I'm not satisfied?
On what floor is breakfast served? Is there any transportation available from the hotel to the city? Do you sell prepaid phone cards here? I want to stay one more night. Please send my luggage to my room. I would like to take a look at the room first. Welcome. Do you have any luggage with you? Let me check our computer records.
1 double suite, right? May I please see a form of ID?
I don't see any of your information here. Your reservation is from the 7th to the 10th, 3 nights in total.
This is the key card for your room. Please fill in your personal information.
This is your breakfast coupon. Breakfast is served on B1. Is a room on the 3rd floor okay for you?
Checkout time is at noon. Do you have any special requests for your room? Our staff will show you to your room.
Please use the phone in your room if you need anything. I would like to change rooms.
There is a problem with my key card. It won't open the door.
The room is short 1 set of soap and towels. Is there a gym in this hotel? I want to order a sandwich. There is no hot water when I turn on the faucet. Is there free laundry service? Is the mineral water in the fridge free?
The air conditioner in my room seems to be broken.
Do I need to pay for the beverages in the fridge?
Could you please bring up 2 pairs of slippers? How do I make a room-to-room call?
Could you please send me some ice cubes? How do I make a local call? How do I make an international call? Please give me a wake-up call at 7:30 tomorrow morning. Is there internet access at this hotel?
I'm very sorry, but all our rooms are full. We will set up another room for you right away. We will send someone on our staff to take care of that for you immediately.
We will send it to you right away. Let me check if there's a problem. Beverages in the fridge need to be paid for.
There's a separate charge for laundry.
Our guests can use the gym for free. The mineral water is free. The pool is open until 10 p.m. You can use the phone in your room to make international phone calls.
We offer wireless internet access. For room-to-room calls, just dial the room number. All right, we'll give you a prompt wake-up call.
I want the tougher material.
I need a size 34C bra. I'm looking for cotton linen clothes. I want the moisture-wicking material. My neck size is 14 inches.
I need a moisturizing cream. I need a product with natural ingredients. I need oil-free cosmetics.
The SPF has to be above 15.
I need a facial powder with better transparency. I like sharp-tipped shoes. I need liquid-based care products, not cream-based.
I like the fresher-smelling perfume. I like high heels to be more than 3 inches. I need a pair of nude-colored silk stockings.
Would you like me to take your measurements? Can you tell me your measurements? Would you like the general style or the new fashion style?
Would you like me to tell you more about it?
What kind of lipstick color would you like? Would you like to try the newest fashion? Do you have dry skin or oily skin? What kind of clothing material would you like? Would you like the general kind of powder or the UV protection powder? What kind of cream would you like?
Would you like perfume with a light, fresh scent or a heavier scent? Do you like leather?
How do you like this color? What kind of shoe style are you looking for? Would you like flat-heeled or high-heeled shoes? Can I try on the clothes? I think it's not bad.
The cut doesn't look graceful enough.
The color doesn't fit my skin tone. The zipper doesn't zip well. The design is very graceful.
I feel weird wearing it. The material is pretty nice.
Is this the right way to wear it? The material is airproof.
It's too loose in the waist. It's too revealing.
It feels comfortable. It's too tight. It doesn't look cool at all.
It looks difficult to care for.
The skirt is too short. I can barely breathe. This style is what I have been looking for. It looks perfect on me. I can't wear this in public. Would you like to try it on? Sorry, the products on sale cannot be tried on.
This color fits you better. This color goes with everything.
This style will never go out of fashion.
The material is really good. Feel it. The material is easy to care for. I think you look great in this. This is our best-selling item. In fact, we ran out not too long ago. This is the most fashionable style this year.
These shoes are imported from Italy.
You can try the newest style.
You can also wear a coat to match it. This is made of calf leather. We also have other colors for you to choose from. The pants are too long. It fits me well. The sleeves are too short. The collar is too tight.
It's too baggy in the waist. It's too tight in the waist.
I can't zip up the zipper. I can't button it up.
I usually wear a medium.
The size is too small. I like to wear clothes that fit me well.
The small is too small, but the medium is too big.
The lower hem is too wide. I like to wear loose clothes. Do you have one in a bigger size?
You don't have it in my size?
Do you have one in an A cup? Do you have one in a smaller size?
Could you alter it for me?
Could you measure me? S is just my size. Would you like to try on another one? Sorry, the larger ones are all sold out. Please tell me your size.
Try the smaller size. We can alter it for you. Try the bigger size.
Alterations are free of charge.
We can lengthen the pants a bit. A little alteration to the waistline, and it'll look great.
We can make the pants shorter. We still have some other sizes. Is this the length you need?
We can tailor it to your size.
We can put a pad in your shoes.
The more skin-tight design is popular this year.
We can make some adjustments to your shoe tip.
It will loosen over time.
I can insert a bust pad for you. It's too expensive. How about making it an even price?
This is all the money I've got. Can you go a little lower?
How about cutting it to an even amount?
2 for $500, all right? Other stores sell it for $200. I'll buy more if you give me a lower price.
This piece of clothing has some flaws. I'll buy it for a discount.
The material of the clothes isn't that good. The price should be lower. I am your old customer, and you want to haggle with me? This is the only color you have left. I'll take it for a lower price.
Or you can give me a small gift instead.
Give me a better price, and I'll bring my friends here. I'll buy them all for a lower price.
This one may go out of fashion soon.
I can only make $10 on each one.
I am selling it at below cost. I'm in a hurry to sell them out. How about I give you a $10 discount?
300. Take it or leave it. How about you buy one more?
I can't go any cheaper than that.
If the quality isn't what I say it is, I'll give you your money back. Exactly how much would you be willing to pay for it? The flaw is why I'm offering you such a low price. Only an old customer like you can get this price.
It's already very cheap. Come on, nobody would do business without profit. You are truly a good bargainer. Be sure to bring your friends here.
Please wrap it in a gift box. Please give me a bag with a handle so I can carry it easily.
I want this type of paper box. I need a plastic bag.
Is there an extra charge for gift wrapping?
Please tear off the price tag. I want to write a card and put it inside.
This is a gift for a lady. Please wrap it in pink paper. This is a present. Please wrap it nicely. I don't want to wrap it if it costs extra. Please wrap it up for me. This is for my own use. I don't need to wrap it. Do you have a more special way to wrap it? I don't like this wrapping. Please wrap it again.
Please tie some ribbons to it.
It looks terrific.
Thank you for the service.
Please pick a color of wrapping paper.
Would you like it wrapped?
I'll iron your clothes before wrapping them. Can we have them wrapped together?
Do you need to pick a card?
Are there any decorations you would like to use?
Do you need a gift box for it? Paper or plastic? Do you want to pack them separately? Do you need a bag with a handle? Do you need some desiccant? Do you want to tear off the price tag?
Would you like some paper plates and candles? There is a surcharge for gift wrapping. There is no surcharge for gift wrapping. You need to pick and pay for the wrapping paper. That will be $500 for the gift and wrapping paper.
Do you only take cash? How much are these in total?
How much are these two pieces together? Isn't this one priced at $350 NT?
Can I use a credit card?
Isn't this 20% off?
Don't you have a special discount?
Doesn't this come with a gift?
Please put them into 2 bags and bill me separately. Sorry, I don't have cash. I'll pay the bill first and come back to get the clothes later.
How much of a discount can I get with my VIP card? Hang on a minute. Let me withdraw some cash from the ATM next door. I'll be your cashier.
Sorry, we only take cash. The black one costs $50 more. Sorry, we don't take credit cards.
This is not the one that's on sale. You can bring your item back to exchange if there's a problem with it. We have a 7-day return policy. There's only a discount if you buy 2 or more. Our sale is over.
The total amount is $2,000.
Do you want to buy this one too?
Sorry, but your credit card was rejected. Here is the invoice and receipt.
May I remind you that coupons are not exchangeable for cash? It's already on sale. You can't get a further discount with your VIP card.
I want to exchange it for a larger size. I want to exchange it for a longer one. This piece of clothing does not fit me. I want to exchange it for another style. I want to exchange it for a darker one. I want a refund. I want to exchange it for another one. This piece of clothing was torn before I wore it. I want a refund.
My receipt is gone. Can I still return it? I want to exchange it for that white one. This doesn't look anything like the picture in your catalog. I want to return it.
Why can't I return this item? I don't like any of your other products. I want a refund.
Customers have a legal right to return items within 7 days of purchasing them.
I want to sue you for running misleading ads.
Yes, I'll accept your return. Did you bring the receipt with you? This is an on-sale item. It can't be returned for cash. We require a receipt for all returns. We can let you exchange it for something else, but we can't refund your money. You have damaged it. We can't accept this return. It has already been over 7 days. We can't accept this return. The packaging was open. We can't take it. We can only replace it with something of equal value. When you were buying it, we told you that it couldn't be returned. Or you buy another item and pay for the difference.
Once you have used the item, you can't return it.
We are out of those items.
We don't have the size you need.
Is everything here à la carte?
Do you have set meals?
May I have a menu?
Do you have a special menu for Mother's Day? What's the difference between set A and set B? Is this dish spicy?
Is there anything you can recommend? How is this dish prepared?
What's your house special?
Can you choose some side dishes for us?
Is this an Italian restaurant? That's it for now. We'll order more if it is not enough. Is the fish fresh today?
Does the entree have to be one of these 3?
Are these dishes enough for the 5 of us? Can I change my orange juice to a watermelon juice?
We would like to order dessert.
Do you need a Chinese menu? Would you like me to introduce our menu? This is our house special. Would you like to order soup? This dish is very popular. Would you like to try it? Here is our menu. Our cooking is French. We always use natural ingredients.
I can ask our chef to add less hot peppers for you.
Our beef is very tender and juicy. Would you like to give a try? Would you like some dessert? Our chef is from a 5-star hotel.
You can add $100 NT to the price of an entree to make it a set meal. What would you like to drink after your meal?
Would you like some white rice?
A portion this size should be enough. I will repeat what you ordered. We didn't order this. This restaurant has good food.
May I ask how this dish should be eaten? This restaurant's atmosphere is very good. This restaurant has very good service. Please pass me the hot sauce. All of this restaurant's meals are healthy. This seafood dish is very fresh. Excuse me, what kind of sauce is this?
This dish has an exotic flavor.
This dish goes well with draft beer. Can we wrap up what we haven't finished? Could you please give us a fork and knife? Could we please have a bowl and chopsticks? Could you please fill our water glasses? We still have one more course that has not been served yet. You can bring us dessert. Help yourself to the salad bar.
Here you go. Be careful. Knives and forks are underneath the table.
Here is the sauce you asked for. There is no charge for this dish. This is our chef's specialty. Have all your dishes been served yet? Please wait a second. I'll bring your meal right away. Do you need either hot sauce or soy sauce? The soup is cold. Would you like it warmed up a bit? Just leave your dishes on the table. I'll pick them up. Excuse me, would you like any dessert or beverages? Can I help you with anything? Would you like to wrap up your leftovers? How was your meal? The portions of this meal are too small. There is a mosquito in my soup. It's too salty. This dish does not look like the picture. It's too spicy. The food is not very fresh. This dish tastes bad. The meat is overcooked. I can't chew it. How come the tablecloth is so dirty? We've waited for almost half an hour. The tableware doesn't look very clean. It's too noisy in this restaurant. The water tastes weird. Why has our last dish not been served yet?
The waiters here have bad attitudes. We arrived first. Why is our meal being served so late?
I'm sorry. I'll check with our kitchen for you. I'm sorry. We'll bring you a new order. I'm sorry. This dish needs some more time to cook. It doesn't appeal to your tastes? Do you think it is too spicy?
I'll bring you a new set of utensils.
I'm sorry. I will change that for you immediately.
Your food is on its way.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. I'm terribly sorry. We'll do our best to improve. I'm sorry. We forgot about your dish.
If the portion is not big enough, I'll bring you some more.
I'm sorry, we are very busy today. I'm sorry, this is the waiter's first day. These side dishes are on the house. Thank you for your suggestion. Check, please. Can I pay by credit card? Do you only accept cash? How much is the total? The amount does not seem right. Keep the change, thanks. Please give me a detailed check. This is not our check. Does it already include the 10% service charge? How much are the side dishes? May I have the change? You made a mistake on this bill. Can you give us the change separately? How much for a bowl of white rice? I have a discount meal coupon. Isn't it $3,000? I have a coupon for a free meal. This is your check. Do you need a receipt? I still need to add 3 bowls of white rice to the bill.
Can I please have your company's unified invoice number?
We put in a 10% service charge.
You can use this discount coupon.
You can only use 1 coupon at a time. This discount coupon has expired.
Do you need separate checks? Your check has already been paid by the guest who just left.
I'm so sorry. I miscalculated the bill. Excuse me, do you have any change? Please sign your name.
Here is your receipt.
This is a discount coupon you may use next time. Thank you for coming. Please come again.
I need some change to make a phone call.
I'd like to exchange this into US dollars. Where can I get change? Can I get change from you? What kind of ID do you need? Please change the money into small bills for me. Please change all my money into coins. What's the exchange rate for today? Can I exchange this into new Taiwan dollars? Where can I find a coin machine? Can I use a bill to make a phone call? Is there a service charge? Can you give me some $100 bills? Please give me some coins.
Does this machine give change? Can I get change in the store?
Do I need change to take a bus? How would you like your money? How much money do you want to exchange?
Do you want your money changed into tens or ones?
Please let me see your passport. Would you like your money exchanged into US dollars or Japanese yen? We can exchange money into new Taiwan dollars here, too. You cannot use coins for prepaid card phones. You need change to take a bus. The service charge is 5%. Here is your receipt. Let me see if I have any change. How much more change do you need? I don't have any change.
Can I give you 5 ones and 1 5? I only have 2 tens.
I don't have that much change. I can't give you any change. Try asking someone else. This is all the change I have. Can you please tell me how to get back to the Regent Hotel from here? I am lost. Excuse me, where is this place? Can you please tell me where I can find a taxi?
Excuse me, which way is the nearest bus station? Excuse me, which way is the MRT station?
Excuse me, where is the train station? When should I turn left? Excuse me, where am I on this map?
If I keep going straight, will I reach my destination?
And after going straight ahead? Excuse me, how many stations are left? Turn right or turn left?
At which crossroads should I turn left?
Do I need to cross the road? Can I walk there? You took a wrong turn. There is a bus that goes there. Go straight ahead and you'll be there. You can take the MRT to get there. It only takes 10 minutes to get there by cab.
Cross the street, then walk straight ahead and you'll see it. Make a right turn and then a left turn and you'll be there.
Go straight ahead and make a right at the traffic light. On the map, you are right here. The train station is the largest building in front of you. You can get off at this station.
Go straight along this road for 5 minutes and you'll be there.
You should get off at the next station.
It would be easier to take a taxi there.
It is not that far from here, only a 5-minute walk. You need to transfer a few times. Can you please tell me where I can buy a phone card?
Excuse me, is there a public phone around here?
Excuse me, how much does it cost to make a local call? How can I make a local call? How much does a prepaid phone card cost?
Excuse me, how much does it cost to make a long-distance call?
How can I make an international call? Can a public phone be used to make an international call?
How can I make a long-distance call?
Is this phone broken?
What number should I dial to reach the fire department?
Can I use a public phone to make a collect call?
Are there any toll-free payphones?
My mobile phone's battery is dead. Can I borrow yours?
There are always payphones beside major roads.
Dial the area code first, and then dial the phone number of the person you want to call. You can buy phone cards at convenience stores. The value of prepaid phone cards varies. $1 per local call. The value of most prepaid phone cards is $100.
Insert the card and then dial the phone number directly.
You can use my cell phone. You can dial 110 or 119 directly without inserting any coins.
Long-distance calls are more expensive. Only specially marked phones can be used to make international calls.
This type of card cannot be used with this phone. When making international calls, you need to dial the country code. You do not have enough value on your calling card. I've already called a taxi.
I want to go to Taoyuan Airport.
I want to get to this address.
This is the address of the hotel I'm staying in. Please take me there. Please hurry up. I'm really in a rush.
Please take a road that will avoid traffic. Excuse me, sir. Do you know how to get there? Did we go the wrong way? Please let me off at the next traffic light.
It seems like this is the long way.
Please turn down the first alley. How much is the initial taxi fare? I want to get off at the alley up ahead, thanks. Do the cabs have a late night surcharge? May I please have a receipt?
Where would you like to go? Could I have a look at the hotel's business card?
Is it near the train station? Should I turn around to the other side? What road would you like to take to get there?
This alley is too narrow. The car can't fit through it.
Do you know how to get there? Do you want to get off here? I know where it is. This way is a shortcut.
There will be less traffic this way.
Let me give you your change. It is just ahead. There's a traffic jam. We can't go any faster. It is rush hour. There is traffic everywhere. Need a receipt? It should be around here. Would you like to call your friend to ask directions?